Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you add-on. If you wanna do a circle, uh, like so, um, you go here, go to Edit, go to Preference, and search to Loop Cut, Mesh Loop Tools. So then check this, and then here you go. Then I go to Edit Mode, then do Shortcut, List 1 Then you take this. It is only working when you do this, not when Shoshi. So keep the in mind when you do it. You cannot do a whole face and make it. You have to subdivide so you can do it. So then right, no, you right click, and you then mesh and we go circle. Then we have a circle. Then we can do extrude. Then we extrude scale. Can do D and extrude. Yeah. Scale and M and center. Then we have some action here. So that's for this tutorial. So I hope you like this and bye.